Before I was a chef, I was a molecular biologist, so I know the science behind building flavors. The searing technique is one of the best ways to add flavor to your protein. Another key to a perfectly cooked dish is to have the right equipment. And when it comes to seared salmon, the STAUB cast iron skillet is my #1 pick. The enamel surface of this cast iron pan is designed to give you a perfectly even sear, and with STAUB cast iron, you can simply wash your cookware with soap and water for easy cleanup. No seasoning required. Let's get into the recipe. I've been preheating my cast iron skillet over medium heat, and then I'm going to add a little bit of butter. I like to add butter when I'm cooking meat on a cast iron skillet because it provides a nice layer of non-stick coating and the proteins slide off with ease. Now that the butter stopped crackling, to get a great sear and to make sure that my fish comes off the pan with ease, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. This makes things so much more easier when you cook. And then I'm going to season my salmon with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add the seasoned salmon skin side down directly onto the hot skillet. Fish can be really easy to overcook, but the STAUB cast iron surface ensures even browning of the fish. The most important part when cooking salmon skin side down is to just let it sit and don't fidget with it until the skin starts to come off from the sides. That's your cue to get the fish off. These STAUB cast iron pans will last you a lifetime. I've even been to the STAUB factory in France, and the quality is amazing. What I'm going to do now is poach the salmon in the butter and oil. This adds more flavor. It also helps cook the fish faster from the top, and you don't have to flip the fish. You can use the same basting technique if you're cooking steak. Just melt some butter, add some olive oil, and then use the fats in the pan while they're hot and cook your meat. The rice is cooking, the green spinach curry is almost done, everything's looking great. Okay, the salmon is looking cooked because the skin is golden brown and crispy and it's coming off the sides. It's time to pull the salmon off the skillet. And there you have it, that's my crispy skinned salmon with green curry, spinach, and peas served over a bed of basmati rice. And you can get the recipe in my cookbook, Vegetable. I hope you enjoyed my recipe for perfectly pan-seared salmon. If you make it, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks so much. See you in the next one.